Hello adventurers! In this video, I'll discuss the top 5 credit cards in 2023 with so many alternatives. I looked into the best cards and choose my favorite 5. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There are a lot of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you'll find out about 5 credit cards that are among the best in 2023. And instead of choosing between 50, you will have to choose between 5 only. Now let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 5, we have the Ink Business Cash Credit Card. There are areas where many companies spend a lot, so the Chase Ink Business Cash can be a reliable no annual fee small business credit card. It offers outstanding cashback benefits in transferring those earnings to a card that accrues. Chase Ultimate Rewards will roughly quadruple the value of your rewards. Pros: no additional fee for employee cards, high rewards rates in select bonus categories, generous welcome bonus, no annual fee, intro APR period. Cons: requires good excellent credit, low rate outside bonus categories, spending caps on bonus rewards. It's great for small business owners. It's not great for people who don't have a small business. Let's focus on the rewards. Every account anniversary year, the Ink Business Cash offers 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores, internet, cable, and phone services, and 2% cash back on the same amount at gas stations and restaurants. You can receive 1% cash back on all other purchases. As a reward, cashback is paid out and can be used on your bill at any time in any amount. 1 cent is equal to 1 point. Now for the welcome bonus. Earn $900 in bonus cash after making $6,000 in purchases during the first 3 months of your account's opening. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% on purchases for 12 months, but the regular APR is 16.99% to 22.99% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. And the foreign transaction fee is 3% of each transaction in US dollars. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. At number 4, we have the Discovered Secured Credit Card. If you don't have a credit history or have low credit, the Discovered Secured Credit Card is the top-notch ally you need. It far surpasses credit builders' expectations for a secured card in many areas. With this card, you can learn when you might be able to graduate to a regular card and receive your deposit back, which is something that most of its rivals do not offer. As soon as your account has been open for 7 months, Discover will evaluate it to see if you qualify for an upgrade. Rewards are also available on the card, which secured credit cards don't typically offer, and there is no yearly charge. It needs a $200 minimum security deposit, but you may receive that money back if you switch to a standard credit card or close the account in good standing. Pros: no annual fee, reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, qualify with limited bad credit, earns rewards, new cardholder bonus offer, free FICO score access each month, cashback match doubles cashback rewards earned at the end of the first year, automatically converts to an unsecured card. Cons: high APR, rewards are capped. Secured cards don't provide many of the perks that unsecured cards do. Secured cards require unfundable deposits. It's great for people who need to establish or rebuild a credit score, people who frequently spend on gas and dine out, people who are currently carrying a balance on another card with a high interest rate. It's not great for people who don't drive or don't go out for dinner, people with excellent credit scores. Let's focus on rewards. Up to $1,000 in purchases made at gas stations and restaurants each quarter will earn you 2% cashback with this card. All-inclusive dining businesses, cafes, cafeterias, and fast food restaurants are among the places where you can earn dining credits. You might receive incentives of up to $20 per quarter or $80 per year if the interest rate is 2%, with no cap on how much you can earn. You'll also get 1% cashback on all other transactions. Your cashback can be redeemed at the Amazon.com checkout for gift cards, statement credits, bank account deposits of cash, charitable donations, or cashback on charity organizations. No matter how you choose to redeem the benefits, They are all worth their face value. Rewards have no expiration date and can be redeemed at any time for any account. Now for the welcome bonus. Only available through Discover with an unlimited cashback match. After your first year, Discover will automatically match all the cashback you have earned. Both the minimum and maximum rewards are unlimited. Not even a dollar for dollar match. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to intro APR, there is no information, but the regular APR is 27.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% on future balance transfers, and the foreign transaction fee is none. The credit score needed is poor, which is considered to be between 300 to 629. At number 3, we have the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. There aren't many cashback credit cards that offer 2% rewards on all transactions. So when one does, it's an occasion for celebration. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, which went on sale in the summer of 2021, has a lot to offer. Limitless 2% cashback on all transactions, a sign-up bonus, and a no-interest incentive or new purchases and debt transfers. When taken as a whole, there is a value proposition that is challenging, if not possible, to find on other cards in its class. For people who enjoy the convenience of using a single card anytime they purchase, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is the perfect option. Pros: high rewards rate, no annual fee, intro APR period, cell phone protection benefit. Cons: there is a balance transfer fee, there is a foreign transaction fee, no travel transfer partners, no bonus categories. It's great for people that like using a few credit cards as possible. People that like credit cards with high rewards rate, but no bonus categories. It's not good for people that want credit cards with bonus categories. People that like using different cards for different things. Let's focus on the rewards. With the Wells Fargo Active Cash, you may earn unlimited 2% cashback on purchases, making earning rewards quick and easy. The Go For Rewards program offers rewards that can be accumulated and are valid as long as the account is active. With the Wells Fargo Rewards program, points can be exchanged for a variety of things, including gift cards, cashback on purchases, and charity donations. Rewards can be given to individuals with other Wells Fargo accounts, as well as transferred across accounts that offer Wells Fargo rewards. Now for the welcome bonus. Once you've spent $1,000 in the first 3 months, you'll receive a $200 cash rewards incentive. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening, but the regular APR is 19.24%, 24.24%, or 29.24% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is up to 5%, but a minimum of $5, and the foreign transaction fee is 3%. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. Coming at number 2, there is a Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. For a variety of purchasing categories, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred cards offer rewarding cashback. If cashback is more your thing, in specific US streaming, US supermarkets, transit, and gas station categories meet your spending patterns, the Blue Cash Preferred is the card for you. Pros: outstanding cashback rewards, generous welcome offer, bonus categories, intro APR period. Cons: charges and annual fee. It has a fee on foreign transactions. American Express isn't as widely accepted as Visa or MasterCard, spending caps on bonus rewards. It's great for people who buy groceries at traditional supermarkets, people who subscribe heavily on streaming services, drivers. It's not good for people who don't have a driver's license, people that don't get groceries from the traditional supermarkets. Let's focus on the rewards. With a $6,000 spending limit, this card gives 6% cashback at US supermarkets, 6% cashback on the majority of the US streaming video and music services, and 3% cashback on gas and transportation costs. 1% cashback is awarded on all other purchases. Cashback incentives are given in the form of reward dollars, which, if they reach $25 or more, can be redeemed as a statement credit. Reward points cannot be used to reduce minimum payments. Now for the welcome bonus. Get a $250 statement credit after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. The annual fee is $0, intro annual fee for the first time. then $95. When it comes to intro APR, it's 0% on purchases for 12 months, but the regular APR is 18.24% to 29.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. The foreign transaction fee is 2.7% of each transaction. After conversion to US dollars, the needed credit score is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. And in the first place, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. When it comes to travel credit cards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is the best option. That's because it might be good fit for both novices and experts in optimizing rewards. When it comes to points and miles, pros: it has a bonus for brand new cardholders. It has bonus sections. It offers primary insurance for rental cars. It offers flexible redemption of awards. You can transfer points at 1.1 ratio to your travel companions. It offers many protections for shopping and vacations. You can earn 5x points for booking a flight with Chase. Cons: it has an annual fee. You must have high to exceptional credit. It has difficult rewards. There is no introductory APR offer. The only way to get the best travel rewards is through Chase. It's great for people who travel quite a lot and people who hold or want to get more Chase cards that earn ultimate rewards points. It's not great for people who don't travel often and people who prefer to have easier rewards. Let's focus on rewards. When booking travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred earns 5 points for every dollar spent, 3 points for dining, a few streaming services, and online grocery shopping, 2 points for all other travel purchases, and 1 point for all other transactions. This card excels in providing a variety of options to redeem points. Using Chase Ultimate Rewards, you may instantly book travel and a variety of other activities using any points you earn. However, points can also be exchanged for gift cards, cashback, Amazon.com purchases, and Apple products. Now for the welcome bonus. After making $4,000 in purchases during the first 3 months, after account opening, you'll earn 60,000 bonus points. When you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you will receive $750 towards travel. The annual fee is $95. When it comes to the intro APR, there is no information, but the regular APR is 19.74% to 26.74% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, and the foreign transaction fee is none. The needed credit score is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best credit cards of 2023. Of course, there are more of them, and I can cover them in another video if you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I'll see you in the next video.